Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where every week we introduce a new rum cocktail using our fabulous rums. We're here at Muddy River Distillery, North Carolina's oldest legal rum distillery. I'm Robbie, this is Caroline. Today is the day after Super Bowl, and that day is one of America's most popular sick days. Yeah. Not just because it's a Monday, but because people tend to party hard with what last week's rum cocktail, right? That was a pretty good one.
Yeah, Super Bowl of punch.
So we got something for if you're sick or if you're not sick, you just need something to drink.
Hungover, or if it's just a Monday and you don't like it.
Yeah.
We have the Muddy River Sick Day for you. So for this drink, we're going to use our 4-year Queen Charlotte's Reserve. So I'm pretty excited about it. Feels fancy.
Yeah, that's a really good one. So it's kind of like one of those vitamin C drinks, except for good and with alcohol. Yeah. All right, so what do we need to get this going?
We need 2 ounces each of our 4-year Queen Charlotte in there. Wait, is it vitamin C or vitamin B? I don't know.
It's vitamin C.
No, okay.
Vitamin C is what you take for colds.
Oh, I thought the hangover thing is vitamin B.
Vitamin C also keeps down the scurvy.
Well, so does the rum. Then we're gonna do half of a lemon, squeeze that into there as well.
Half a lemon in each drink.
Get that citrus in there. Good for your throat if you're actually sick. And then the Queen Charlotte 4-year is just nice and oaky. Amazing. Fabulous. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces each of hot water on it. And be careful if you're using a metal jigger, because the hot makes the whole metal hot. Don't burn yourself.
Be careful the glassware you use, because dropping hot liquids into glass can be dangerous.
Yeah, I want to get some of those Irish coffee ones. We're going to do an Irish coffee sometime, and we'll get them.
And for mine, I'm putting honey in. I'm just going to do a dab of local North Carolina honey here.
I'm going to go honey-free. Mine nice and lemony. Oh yeah, I got this styrofoam.
I just won't put it back in.
Be careful about putting dirty spoons back in your honey, because that can contaminate it. Our friend and coworker Anna told us that. I didn't even think about it.
All right, that's the Muddy River Sick Day.
Yeah, nice and warm.
Yeah, it does. And it really is like one of those vitamin C drinks. But it smells of oak.
Juice. Is it oaky juice? Juice blends.
Yeah, that's a good one. Nice for this time of year. Super cold. I feel like we should get a fire going. Probably not good to do that inside of a distillery though.
Yeah.
When we go home.
Fireworks are probably one like that.
Alright,
There are no fires in here.
We hope you guys enjoyed this cocktail. The recipe will be in the description below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. You can find our products for sale in your local liquor store. You can also buy us online in Illinois. And you can come out to the distillery after a tour, which we do every Saturday at 1, 2, and 3. You can buy our product there.
And now in California through livediv.com. It's got
California.
registered there.
Now, cheers to that.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Okay, don't hold hands. You still want to hold your hand, dude. Marriage. It's compromising. I'm gonna put my third beach. That much up.
Flappers are flapping around. knocking stuff off the table.